Juhi, who had never done a photo shoot outdoors, and we had a full day shoot with her at Mukesh Mills, and in clothes like people had never seen her, blue jeans, white shirts, simple stuff. And those pictures became a rage at that point. And when they came in Stardust Annual, it was like all over. And then after that, I did a lot of work with Juhi. Even she was very happy with the results that we had achieved. And I shot with her for a couple of ad campaigns. Even till now, I've shot work with her with some ad campaigns. And she was very sweet, very easy to work with. And I've always followed that, the bigger the star, the lesser the tantrums. Because someone who's bubbling under, who's trying to make it, will try and put in their 2 bit. Oh, let's do this, let's do that, or no, I don't like this, I don't like. Because of course they are also worried about their image and how they would be projected. But sorry, but with a bigger star, I've seen that when they trust you, that's the reason why they agreed to shoot with you in the first place. So if they've trusted you, they give you that complete freedom. They'll not even look into your frame. They will just say, I'll follow it, and you finally show me a good result at the end of the day. So with Juhi also, it was a similar vibe. She completely trusted me. In fact, even recently I shot with her at her own house and did a feature with Juhi at home. So she was very receptive. She was very friendly and very, very sweet to work with. Yeah.
And we've always seen Juhi Chawla in very effervescent roles in films where she is known as this bubbly girl. She was the bubbly girl in Hindi cinema for a long time.
Right.
How is she as a person otherwise? Is she the same girl that you see on screen who's giggling, or she's a little reserved and shy?
I think she is reserved with the people who she's not comfortable with, or it's probably a little difficult to approach her if you don't know her at all. So, but with the people who she knows and she trusts, she's completely chilled. She's very warm. She's easy person to be with, I feel. In terms of she listens to the photographer. She gives him time. How much ever time he may need for lighting, or he may need to set the frame. Very, very relaxed. There's a very no stress person that what I've worked with with Juhi.
And I remember I had seen you in a film doing a cameo role where Juhi was supposed
Deewana
to play the
Mastana.
doctor. Yeah, Deewana Mastana. In that movie, when you were with her on the sets, how is she on the sets? Rather than when she's in the studio, your space, how is she when she's shooting? How is she when she is on the sets?
Juhi is a very dedicated actress. She is when she's at work, she is completely focused. When she's in a scene, she's rehearsing, she's thinking about her character. There's a lot of input as an actor you will see with Juhi. She will not just get into the scene without thinking. She will give it enough thought. She will prepare. Even with her makeup and hair, she's absolutely, look at absolute detail. Continuity, the exact hairdo on the next day, if the scene is being continued. So she's very particular, meticulous, and very Miss Proper, with when she's concerned with her movies. You cannot mess around. If she needs to ask for a outfit change, you have to give it to her. You cannot tell her jaldi karo. She's not, she'd rather give her space because she needs to get into every detail. That's what I've seen with Juhi on set.